there.
Yeah.
It's 1 kilometer.
Mm-hmm.
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
The parking lot seems
It's a big beach. Mm-hmm. On your left. We're here.
okay, we're here. This is another a beach number 2.
Yeah, we're
This is-
at the beach now.
This is Cedar Point.
Mm-hmm.
I park right there, and we just walk here. So it's kind of double size of the one that we went the last time. And the beach, the water is calm, so it's okay, and it's more family, and the weather is so nice, the sun, and Ami's ready to swim. Enjoy, Ami. Okay, I'm here. Have our stuff, watching Ami. It's a beautiful day. Look at the sun. Right now, this is our second beach to show you guys. This is Cedar Point at Kingsville. It's like 40 minutes drive. Yeah, not bad. The parking lot is very close by the beach. And our truck, Totong, is there. Right there. Okay. People are doing fishing that area too. Yeah, you can do fishing as well. That's funny. Hindi naman naka-umbrella pa ako kasi it's shiny. And while I'm sitting down, I'm smelling the watermelon. And some pop and water as well. Yan. Kami lang dalawa ni Ami. Kasi may trabaho yung si Jessica. Panggabi siya eh, kaya natutulog siya. Enjoy the day while we have a beautiful weather. 28 degrees, sunny, nice beautiful day. Stay outside. No need to spend so much. Just bring your water, pop, anything to drink, snack. Happy na. Yan. So, kakain muna ako ng watermelon. There. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit kasi ano na eh, I think it's 5 o'clock PM na. Gusto ko lang sana talagang makatch yung sunset. Kain tayo, watermelon. Andun si Ami. Nag-enjoy si Ami sa water. Oh, ayun, may nakita akong aso. Friendly animal pala tong area na to. So, pwede niyong dalhin ang inyong aso. Just make sure you're responsible kung sila'y dudumi. May dala akong umbrella kasi nakakasilaw eh. Yum. Watermelon is sweet. Kain tayo. Very juicy and sweet. It's a beautiful day. Thank you, God. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi rin siya malamig. Tamang weather, 28 degrees. So kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, 40 to 45 minutes away from Windsor. Yeah, it's not too bad. And like I said, the parking lot is free. Right there. Find your own spot. And easy access to walk. Just right there. Kakain na uli ako. Medyo malalim lang ng konti dito. Pero happy naman siya. Kita niyo yung layo ng sand. Yung kinatatayuan ni Ami, it's already deep. Yan ang duty nating mga magulang. Kung saan masaya ang ating anak, kailangan dalhin natin sila. Ami is already happy. Simple way dito sa beach. Kahit maghapon kami dito, happy siya. Yeah. And plus, I love it here too. I love the wind. I love the sound of the waves. peaceful. Malaman siya. So yun ang simple, joyful, or simple joy ni Ami. Swimming by the beach. Ang bilis niyang umitim. It's already so dark. So pag bibilad sa araw. Still more people coming. A lot of people here. Kahit 6 p.m. na, marami pa rin tao. Medyo malalim pero buti hindi malakas ang alon. Tama lang. Bye! She loved the water. Kaya take your time, lalo na pag summer. Go to the beach as much as you want. It's free. Dahil pag dumating na ang winter, back to cold again. This time, they love and enjoy the water. Especially Ami, she loves beach. Stay there as long as you want. Look at the boat. Nice boat. I know how to swim, but I'm still scared to leave her alone. When she was young, I take her to the swimming lesson. They learn. Those are those days. Maybe one day I'm gonna enroll her again to swimming lesson. Guys, muli nandito tayo sa Cedar Point Beach sa Kingsville. Masaya na rin ako kahit nakaupo lang dito. Binabantayan ko si Ami. Nagbabantay ng mga gamit. Happy na ako. It's my simple happiness to 6:30 na, marami pa rin tao. Is there. It's a lot of people still there outside. Some more. And the washroom is right there. Close to our truck. More people by the shed. By the tree. See those people as well praying. So hanggang dito kami hanggat mag sunset. Ayun ang araw, matirik pa rin. Enjoying the water. Snack time tayo. May baon din akong Diet Coke, Clover chips, at hindi mawawala ang ating Boy Bawang garlic flavor. Ayan. So habang tayo naiinip, meron tayong snack. At si Ami naman ayaw magpaawat, ayaw umahon. Talagang gustong-gusto niya pa rin sa magbabad sa dagat. Tayo bantay lang sa kanya. Habang siya ay nag-enjoy, kumakaway pa. Kumakaway si Ami. Take a break, Ami. Ami, take a break. Lang naman yan, summertime. Enjoy siya sa wave. Nice there. Beautiful sandy. The water is so clean, but a little bit deep. Take a break, Ami. How's the water? Nice? Ayan. She loved the water. This is their washroom. Pero hindi malinis eh. Ang view ko ng washroom. Hindi siya kalinisan, pero at least may washroom, may changing room, kasi malaki siya eh. Double size siya nung first beach na napuntahan namin. Pero mas convenient din kasi Ayan na yung beach. Ayan na yung washroom and changing room. Yan. So far, maganda rin siya. Dahil, una, napakalapit. Sandy. At malinis din ang tubig. Yan. Yan ang bali comment ko sa Cedar Points. And it's more family bonding. Yeah. May umaalis, may dumarating, may nag-i-stay pa rin. Because the weather is so beautiful. It's warm. So peaceful. Daming bata. It's beautiful. Yami is staying there because I told her I should staying there because I need to go washroom. Pero babalik pa siya. Gusto pa niyang mag-gloob sa dagat. She loves swimming, short swimming by the beach. Yeah. So muli, ito ang aming simpleng kaligayahan, ang mamasyal sa beach, lalo na para kay Ami. Masaya siya. So habang maganda panahon, let's travel. Excuse me. Nandito tayo sa Cedar Beach. Okay, so bye now. Take care. God bless everyone. Hope you like it. My video.